wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best model car kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Formula 1 Ferrari SF70H can be assembled either as Kimi Räikkönen's car or as Sebastian Vettel's, both of which competed at the Australian Grand Prix. It's built to a 1/20th scale and has 154 components. It comes with painting stencils and is good quality for a plastic kit. Be aware that a modelling knife or scissors are required. At number 9, once assembled, the Revell 55 Ford F100 Street Rod makes a great display piece for fans of classic cars. The included flame decals give it that hot rod feel, and it'll look good in any colour, so you can get creative with your finishing touches. It includes a detailed V8 engine and illustrated instructions, but note that some parts need to be trimmed to fit. Coming in at number 8 on our list, beginners might enjoy the Maisto 1957 Chevrolet Corvette, which is an easy build with doors that open and tires that roll. This is a basic version to start with before moving on to more complicated projects that require glue and involve a greater time commitment. This is a convertible with California plates and a pre-painted metal body. However, it is too simple for experienced hobbyists. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for model car kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Revell Ford Bronco is a classic American SUV that requires a reasonable amount of skill to complete. Deep panel lines means you won't have to spend any time scribing, and it comes with cool gauge decals and body emblems. It includes a swing-away spare tire and a removable top, but numerous paints are required. Moving up our list to number 6, the AMT 1989 Batmobile is worthy of Bruce Wayne and comes complete with a turbine engine, computer decals, and dual machine guns. The all-black color scheme looks cool and makes it easy to decorate. It features chrome-plated components and a backdrop for display. It needs very little sanding. Halfway up our list at number 5. With the 1968 Volkswagen Beetle limousine, you can pop the trunk to see the 1500cc rear-mounted engine, and the steering wheel can be positioned on the left or right side. There's a flower vase on the dashboard and it's 17 centimeters long. It's fairly easy to build. At number 4, all the parts with the Tamiya laferrari are already colored, but you can still customize this one either with the included decals or with some paint of your own. It sports a detailed interior and both the doors and rear hatch open. All the pieces fit together well. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, putting together the Revell GMC pickup is a good way to pass the time on a cold winter day. Equipped with a hefty snowplow and a mounted roll bar with driving lights, it looks ready to weather any storm. It features a 4-wheel drive, realistic soft tires, and water slide decals. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for model car kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the maisto 2008 Dodge Challenger is a good choice for first-time builders. It's simple to assemble and has doors that open and tires that really roll. It includes a screwdriver and all the components are fully painted. It comes with extra wheels too. And taking the top spot on our list, movie buffs and auto aficionados alike will appreciate the Lego Aston Martin DB5. Details like a bulletproof shield, a functional ejector seat, and a rotating license plate will come in handy on your next secret mission. It features a concealable radar tracker and wheel-mounted sides, and it includes a brick separator tool. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for model car kits, or simply click beneath this video.